Namaskar and welcome to the video lecture series on analog circuits. Myself Dr. Dharmesh Kumar Srivastava. In this lecture I shall discuss about the analysis of differentiator and integrator using op-amp in the inverting mode. So let's start the analysis. First we comes to the analysis of differentiator. So for the differentiator I must draw the diagram first. The op-amp is used in the inverting configuration, therefore the non-inverting terminal is grounded. Now apply a capacitor at the input. This is point P, and from here a feedback resistance RF is connected. The current flowing through it is IF, the current flowing through is IB. This is point P and the voltage here is at VP. The current flowing through the capacitor C is IN and the applied voltage is V. So this is the diagram for the capacitor. As we all know, one thing you know that the current flowing through any capacitor, suppose this is a capacitor C and the current flowing through is I and the voltage applied here is V2, whereas the voltage at the second terminal is V2, then the current I is given by I is equal to C into d by dt of V1 minus V2. So you just remember this concept in the analysis of differentiator and integrator. So let's start the analysis. Again applying KCL at point P, see this figure, applying KCL at point P, apply KCL at point P. On applying KCL at point P, it is IN is equal to IB plus IF, equation number 1. As we had considered the op-amp as ideal, therefore IB is equal to 0. Now we just write the value of IN from figure. As you can see what I told you previously, that the current flowing through a capacitor is given by C into d by dt of V1 minus V2. In the same way here also the current capacitor is C, the current is IN and the voltages are Vin and Vp. So in the same way IN becomes C into d by dt of Vin minus Vp, here it is minus, equals to Vp minus V0 upon RF. Now again due to virtual ground Vp is equal to 0. So it is C into d by dt of Vin equals to minus of V0 upon RF. Next we can write it on cross multiplying, and after simplification V0 is equal to minus C into RF into d by dt of Vin. So this is the analysis of op-amp as a differentiator. So I hope you are quite able to understand the analysis of differentiator. So now we shall discuss about the integrator. So for the integrator I am discussing about the integrator. So let's start the analysis of integrator for in inverting mode, that is inverting type. We are analyzing the integrator in inverting type. So let's draw the diagram first. As it is an inverting type, the non-inverting terminal is grounded, and now what we have to do, we just simply replace the component values of the C and RF. So in the differentiator the feedback resistance, the resistance is connected in feedback and the capacitor is connected in to the input. Now we just change the value, so the resistance is connected at the input and it becomes R in, V in, and the current flowing through is I in. This is point P and the voltage here is Vp, this is Ib. So, and the capacitor is connected at the feedback V0, this is Cf, and here the current is If, the current is If. Now again applying KCL at point P, apply KCL at P, it is I in is equal to Ib plus If, which is same as the differentiator, equation number 1. Ib is equal to 0 due to virtual ground, therefore the value of I in is equal to V in minus Vp upon R in is equal to If. Now the same condition of the current flowing through a capacitor, it is equal to Cf into d by dt of Vp minus V0. This will be equation number 2. Now due to virtual ground, Vp is equal to 0. So the equation becomes V in upon R in equals to Cf into d by dt of minus of V0. That is equation number 3. Now integrating both sides with respect to t. Integrating both sides with respect to t. On integrating both sides with respect to t, it is V in upon R in equals to Cf into V0 with negative sign. Why so? Because here it is differentiation. On integrating, this will be cancelled out and only the V0 will be obtained. So therefore, the final output equation becomes V0 is equal to minus 1 by Cf into R in integration of V in dt. Here it is also dt plus C. So this is the output equation of integrator. You can see it. So I hope you will be quite able to understand the analysis of differentiator and the analysis of integrator using op amp in the inverting mode. Thank you.